Hello crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna play again with the Happy Spring collection that I already made two cards with the egg, and let me see if I can find them to show you. There you go. If you didn't see the video, I will list it at the end of this one. But today I'm gonna use the bunnies. I did use the sentiment before for the cards, but today I'm going to use the bunny, the embossing folder, and the stencil. So let's start. So I already embossed my panel. Look at the dimension of these eggs. So fun. And now I'm just gonna use the stencil to color them. Now the stencil come in different, there is this one with already the decoration, so I'm not going to use this one with the embossing folder, but I'm going to use the rest, the other four one, just to give some colors to my eggs. So I'm going to be very quick, and so I'm going to speed up the video quite a lot, but I'm just gonna start to color. So starting with a pink, and just go all around. It's super easy to, to add colors with a stencil. It's just so much fun. And because the embossing folder has got all the varied deep impression, you can straight away see, adding a bit of color, you can see them even more. A bit, I'm gonna just go around the yellow and then try to give a kind of variation on color, so it's certain part are a bit darker, so just to give a little bit of dimension to those very cute eggs. So you can see I'm doing with the blue as well, and now the last one is gonna be a teal color. Actually, sorry, it's green. The teal color was at the beginning. There you go. And look how fun is this one. So much fun, so cute. Now I had so much fun that I decided to do it again in a normal on a normal panel without any embossed. And I did the same colors, just a lot darker. I put a lot more pressure in it. And now what I'm gonna do, just add some white to transparent paste, so I get this. I think I put way too much. I didn't need that much, but I just went over the last stencil, the one with the dimension, and look at this. This is already dry. Actually, not dry completely, so I'm gonna let it dry a little bit more there. Meanwhile, I'm gonna build my cute little bunnies. So there are three different ones, and again, I'm gonna probably speed up a bit the process, and I'm gonna add a little bit of colors on my bunnies. So I'm gonna have I think one in gray, one in brown, and I'm gonna leave one white. There are also some eggs that I'm gonna color, and some little flowers. So I'm starting with the gray one. So just add a little bit of black suit shading with the brush. And this one, I think he had some vintage photo in it. And now I'm just gonna go around for my eggs. I'm gonna do pastel colors, because why not? And you're gonna use the same color for the flowers, just a little bit stronger. Now time to actually glue the things together. So I'm gonna put the pink behind the ears. So just add in a bit of glue. Sorry about the lighting, keep on changing. and try to adjust, but probably put too much light now. There you go, just a touch at the back. And it's got the correct shape, so you can't really get it wrong. And there is something to put behind the eyes, the little black um, black dots. There you go, they look like an alien, but on the other side is adorable. Now, of course, it's got some cheeks and a little nose, and it's very, very tiny little piece. So I'm using my pickup tools to help me to position everything. And look how cute is this? So adorable. You can have this little bunny holding a flower, so that I'm gonna glue together now. There you go, just a dot of glue in the center and done. And I'm just gonna glue where the hands are, because then I can attach the little paw. Is it called paw? I guess. Just on top, like that. Perfect. Now time to attach the head. So just a strip of glue should be enough to hold the little head in place. Oh, cute. Oh, love him. So sweet. Okay, the first bun is done. Let's build the rest very quickly. Now, this particular bunny, it can hold something. It's got the position, is sitting down, and it could hold something. So you can make it hold a heart or a present. You know, it doesn't have to be is a Easter egg, but the egg is there, so why not? So I layer basically a gold egg as a base, and then my green one had some white stripe and a little pink bow, and that's it. The egg is done, and now I can glue on top the arms and the hands, so it's holding a egg. And how cute is it? Look at that. Adorable. Okay, so we got two bunnies done. And now I was going to do the third one as well, but something happened to my my memory card was full, so I didn't realize, and so I missed the whole assembly of this one. But again, it's very, very simple. Now I'm putting together 3 eggs, like a little cluster of eggs, and that I'm not gonna use with this particular bunny, but I didn't know at the time, so I just put it together. There you go, and put it on the side to dry. And now it's time to make some flowers. So we come with this die set with this die with the free with a cluster of 3 flowers. So I just mix and match the colors, and they are super cute, very springy, very tiny as well. So when I decide mix how to mix the color, I'm looking for a pink one. There you go. I just made a pink one, and as a center, I decided to go with some gems. So I'm just gonna add a couple of gems later. Meanwhile, there is a little butterfly as well that I die cut in white and then rainbow color it, and the base is in black like the body. And oh yeah, there is a couple of very tiny eggs as well, and I just get them ready. I wasn't sure if I was gonna use them or not, but I just get them ready. I color them with the same colors for the that I've been using so far. So green, teal green, pink, yellow, and blue. And now I'm preparing my backgrounds. So I've got this fun embossed with the paste embossed eggs that I matte in yellow, and now I attach it directly to my card base. And I use this shape that is part of it was from a die set, a stitching die of the month. I think it was from a few years back, last year or a few years back, that I absolutely adore. I think it was actually January this year. I'm not sure. No, January last year. Not 100% sure. Anyway, it's the center, and I give it a bit of ink blending at the bottom, so for with green, and now at the top with a bit of blue, so sky and the grass. And then this one, I think that cut it from the Gorgeous You collection perfume bottle. And I'll just position it in the center of my card. This one is with the embossed one, and this one I embossed but left it in white. So we've got three different color combinations, three different um, texture and stuff. So now the sentiment, we've got the a piece there, but it was a bit too big. So what I did, I took this stamp set that it was from a while back. Let's see if I can read it. Put on focus. It was called Pocket Bunny. It was February 23, so quite a few years back. It was super adorable, and it's got very nice sentiment. So I decided to use those ones instead of the sentiment with attached to this particular die set with the bunnies. So I thought it matched a bit better with the colors I used. I'm gonna pop up my eggs with some foam square just at the back because it's got some dimension already. My my centerpiece. So I'm gonna put a bit of glue on the top, and now at the base of my oval. Perfect. And the sentiment just right on top. I think it's got a bit of a curve as well, so I think it's matched really nicely. There you go. This one is say a piece, very simple. Now I'm gonna pop up my little bunny as well. Some more foam square. Sorry, I'm a bit out of frame. I'm gonna move it in a second. There you go. And very quickly, I'm gonna position it in the middle of my card, and this card number one completed. Super sweet. Now let's do card number two with my white bunny. So I'm gonna there is this dye that create the grass, so I said why not, let's use it. I do love a little bit of grass, and gonna tuck in my bunny just under it. There you go. Still with my cold. Sorry about that. I just can't shift it. Anyway, this bunny is looking at this little butterfly. That is super adorable. Let's add a little bit of flowers as well. Just a couple over there. And the sentiment right on the top on the other side. There you go. Now I'm gonna add a couple of gems from this one are from Spellbinders, the color mix essential gems, and I'm using the shiny one. And there you go. Card number 2 is completed. I should have had the center. Just realized now that I didn't put the center to the flower on her hair, on her head, but never mind. Time to position my cute little bunny with the flower, and I'm gonna add some more on the side there and some on the other side, like that. I'm gonna add a bit of grass as well, maybe. No, doesn't fit, so I decided not to put it. Let's put my sentiment there. Open by to say hi. That's quite cute. And I decided to use those little eggs because it's after all is Easter, so maybe a Easter hunt, egg hunt. So I'm just gonna add a couple of eggs here and there, scatter in the grass. And as a final touch, again, some gems at the center of the flowers. And hopefully I'm gonna remember, yeah, I remember the one is holding in his hand. And that's it. That's the third and final card. And I think they're sweet. I hope you like those cards. And please let me know if you like them, if you got a favorite, and if you want to do something different. This collection is designed by someone early for Spellbinders and it's super, super adorable. So I will, if you be interested, listed down below. Thank you so, so much if you want to use my link. I really appreciate it. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
In the past, with every cut, with every fold, a little piece of my heart takes hold. Spellbinders take me home to the colors, the layers, the glitter and gold. Making cards, it makes me whole. It's my therapy, it's good for the soul. When the silence starts to creep, I turn to cardstock, lose myself deep. Step and emboss, feel the release. In the shimmer I find my peace. Spellbinders take me home to the colors, the layers, the glitter and gold. Making cards, it makes me whole. It's my therapy, it's good for the soul.